Hello friends, so I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna cover few string functions. These string functions which I will tell you, these are the most commonly used string functions in Excel. So let's see what I'm gonna cover in today's video. So lower, upper, proper, len, left, right and substitute. I'm gonna cover these string functions. For concatenate function you need to refer my previous video, so I have explained concatenate function in a different video. So let's get started. Okay, I have a column of subject. Okay, see this column. Okay, I'm not able to get that. Okay, all letters of my subjects are not in the same case. For example, E's caps, G's caps, S's caps. So this is not looking good. I want all the letters of this string should be displayed in one case. Okay, so let's see how we gonna do this. For this we can use two string functions. My first is lower. Lower means it can convert the whole string to lowercase. What do you mean by lowercase? Lowercase is your small letters like A, B, C, D. This is your lowercase. What is uppercase? Uppercase is your caps, when you write the letters in caps. So A, B, C, D. This is your lowercase and this is your uppercase. Okay, so what does lower function do? Lower function converts the whole string to lowercase. And what does upper function do? It converts the whole string to uppercase. But if I use here lower function, so I will write equal to. For every function you have to use equal to operator. So I will use equal to lower. See, it comes. So lower, and I'm gonna select this string equal to English. See, it has converted the whole string to lowercase. I'm gonna drag this down so that formula will be applied to all the column. So you can see here it has converted my whole strings to lowercase. Similar way you can use uppercase also. So if I write equal to uppercase English, see, it has converted all the letters to caps, that is your uppercase. If I drag this down, so this is okay, it's good. But now my third requirement is that the subject should start with the caps, but it should display all the other letters in small. For example, if I have my display should look like first letter in caps and then small A, B, so A, B, C, D. This is my requirement. So how I can achieve this? I can use this using proper function. What is proper function? It converts the string to lowercase with the first letter in uppercase. So if I use PRO proper, I'm gonna use this English and see, it has converted the first letter to caps and rest all letters will be in small case. Just drag this function down. See, this is the correct format because that's how we display usually. Okay. Now fourth function, length. Len, not length, len. What do you mean by len? Len is it returns the length of the string. I want to see how many characters are there in my string. So for this I can use len function. So if I write equal to len, and if I use this, see, 7. 7 because in English there are 7 letters. ENGLISH. So it has displayed 7. In similar way, if I drag this down, it will display. So this len function will take each character. It will take spaces also. So for space, you will get one character. For example, if I have written down John William. Okay. Or let's take it simple way, ABC. Okay, so how many letters it should display? So JOHN ABC. So you can say okay, but there are only 7 letters. So let's see what length function will display here. Oh, but it is 8 because it has taken space also in between John and ABC. It has taken space, so this space will also be get counted in the length function. So the total length of this string will be 8. Okay, if I had used 2 spaces, for example, if I had increased the spaces, see, it has displayed, has corrected the value 10 because I have used space 3 times. So for each space it will get one value. Okay, so this is the length function. Now comes your left and right. What is left and right is like it extracts the leftmost characters from a string, and right is it extracts the rightmost characters from a string. For example, if I need the first 2 characters of from my string from the left, so I can use left function. I can give this string comma, how many characters you need? I need 2 characters, the first 2 characters. So see, it has displayed en. If I drag this down, so it will display en. Then what is right? Right is it display the rightmost characters. So if I had used this 2, it has displayed the last 2 characters sh. So this right function will count from the rightmost corner. So h will be counted as 1, s will be counted as 2, but the display will be from left to right. Okay, you can get doubt that okay, it is counting from right to left, but why the display is left to right? It is in this way only. If even though it counts from right to left, that okay, h is first, s is first, but it will display in the left to right fashion. Okay, see, this is the way es, ft, pt. So it has displayed the last 2 characters. The last function is your substitute function. What do you mean by substitute? Substitute is I want to substitute a new value instead of an old value. So for example, I don't need the letter G in this. Okay, so what I will do, I will substitute the letter G with H, for example. So if I use substitute text, okay, comma, the old text, so I don't want the letter G, and it is case sensitive, so please do take care of the cases, what all cases I need in caps, so I will use caps. Then what will be the new character? I want to display in H. See, so it has replaced the G with H. If I drag this down, it will take same, but G is not there in any of that, so there will be no change. You can replace G with any character, it's up to you. So that's all for this video.